In this video, I want to talk to you about a problem that you might have with your Whirlpool refrigerator. This is a French door model. When you open this up, these lights come on. But if you have this problem, you open one of these doors and the light doesn't come on, then that's what I'm going to show you how to fix. The thing that makes this light come on is this right here. So you close the door, light goes off, and this will also tell the refrigerator that it can start to cool again. It'll basically tell it that the door is closed. So you may also have a light on that's like this, and you might have a loose connection, or you might need a new switch. So right here, I actually already fixed this. This was the problem, but it was just a loose connection. But I popped the old switch back in just to show you how to replace it. And the best thing to do is to cut the power to this fridge, whether you pull it out and then unplug it, or if you find the breaker and shut it off. But that's totally up to you. I'm gonna live on the edge and I'm gonna do it while it's on. So since I thought this switch was bad, we got a new one like this. This side and the other side will be the same process. The only difference is going to be the orientation. So you can see this switch goes like this, and then on the other side, you flip it like this. And the reason that's important is because you want to know where this is right here. This is going to be the thing that you have to press to release this switch. So I'll show you on this side first, and all you should need is a flathead screwdriver, and I took a piece of plastic out of the recycling just to help not mess up this plastic. So all I'm going to do is put the plastic here where that tab is and try and work my screwdriver under here to press that tab and wiggle that out. So to start, I'm going to take that piece of plastic and hold it up here on the top. The tab is down here, but I'm going to loosen this a little bit. So I can actually sneak that right behind there, put some pressure in, and just pry this out a little bit like that. Go to the side, pry that a little bit, and then try. And just gonna push that tab a couple times, pry it out at the same time, and wiggle it. Do the same thing at the top, push that in. Should be able to pop it out. And there's the connection for this one right here. Again, it would be a good idea to disconnect the power. You just pull it straight out. It's the same switch, even though there's 2 wires here, there's 3 on the other side. And it just goes in just like that. Remember how this harness came out. It went up like this. And to reinstall it, just push it up. And it is a tight fit for this one especially. And it just pops back in. Do the same thing. You might have to take the ice maker tray out. Try and sneak that under there just to get a good angle with your screwdriver. There. Work my way under here. Wiggle it down like that, and there's the wiring harness for that side. You can see 3 wires, but same switch. So we'll put the new one in over here. It goes just like this. Make sure it's nice and tight. And the wiring harness goes down like this. Wiggle it in there. Snap it back into place. We'll test it. Hold the other one. And we're good. So, if you had an issue with either one of those switches, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.